Alright, so we are done with the longest rectangular piece. So let's keep this aside now. Let's pick another small rectangle. This is 15 cross 10.7 centimeters. So now first you need to fold it from this side to this side along horizontal axis like this. You'll have two flaps. You fold each flap on the other side. So this way and similarly this way. Open it, so you'll get something like this. Basically it was like this. You fold it here, you fold it like this. Rotate the page, and here we need to follow the same type of triangular arrangement which we did for this base initially. So you make a triangle here. There should be a leftover part. This you need to fold it like this. Similarly, you need to do it on this side. Fold it like this. Open it, you get an X, and then you need to fold it till from the intersection of the X till the intersection of the X. You need to fold on the back side of this X to form a triangular shape like this. So same setup you need to repeat on this side. So let's do it quickly. Triangle first on this side, fold it. Triangle on this side. Oops. Fold it properly. Then a rectangular fold till the center of the X which is formed, and then you make a triangle. This is how it looks. Now pick any one side and you need to fold it like this and like this. And similar step which we did earlier, you hold these properly, and from this edge you fold this till half and put these back. Similarly on this side, fold this till half and press it properly. Now you know what to do. Slowly fold it, and these two flaps which we just made, these should go in this opening here and this opening here. So this is how we put it. Slowly press it till the end where it can go, and then press at the bottom. You'll have this part this much, so you need to fold it slightly till the half. This is just to make the tank look good. This is how it looks finally. Alright, now we fix this part into this base. So you slightly fold it like this. You have these two openings here, open them slightly, and on the base you have these two flaps. So these two flaps will go into these two openings. One in this and one in this, and slowly press it properly. Make this arrangement so that it looks good. And now the only remaining part is the shooter. So let's pick the last rectangular sheet which we had. All you need to do is slowly make a folding like this, and then rotate it continuously, and this will form a B, or we call it as a shooter. Apply some glue here. Definitely you don't need this long B, so we'll cut it out. First we'll make the arrangement. So here you need to put it inside this opening. So slowly let's make the arrangement. You can use anything like this to open it slightly, and this is how it looks. So now since we have the arrangement, we'll cut this shooter make a proper opening, and we cut this till the length we want. And then you gently put it in. You can stick these if you want. And this is the final army tank model. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.